Alright, so I'm going to build this 12 by 8 foundation for an upcoming shed build. So for the first time ever, I'm going off of a manufacturer specs and measurements and what to do. So here we have two 4x4 by 12 pressure treated lumber sitting on top of 6 cylinder blocks. Eventually I will put a layer of 45mm rubber between the cylinder block or cinder block and the pressure treated wood. So here the pressure treated wood, or 4x4, is leveled from left to right and back front. Since I have a lot of weed barrier material left over from other projects, I just want to get rid of it, and this is a good place to use it.
It might be the fountain, and I think that's why Ethan got kind of like off, because he started to kind of like those.
Cool. Just have to place some rocks here. Stretch it out. Yep. You want to unroll it? Can you see it? And here's all the material that came with the kit. You have 3 plywood, or whatever that thing's called, and then the rest is 2 by 4 by 8. And then there's one little small piece. It also comes with nails. 2-inch nails, 3-inch nails, using my hearing thingy, because I'll be using impact hammer driver thingy. So I bought the pneumatic nailer, and this is my first time using it. Bought it solely for this project here. So a lot of it's trial and error on how to get a hang of it and how to use it. So these tries are see how the head sticks out. Eventually I get the hang of it, and I'm able to drive the nail all the way in. So at this point, I'm just marking 16-inch on center for all the 2 by 4 by 8. So here's how it looks like framed. All 10 2x4x8 is toe nailed into the 4x4. Put that piece of wood. What time do you want to go to the ride today?
$120 riding by myself.
And now it's time to lay down the 4x8 sheet. All three of them.
You stand on the edge. You stand on the edge. Okay? Look. Stay up there. No. Get down. Here, Chris. You can go to that side? No. Guys, turn around. Chris, no, turn around. Go towards me.
Careful with the fingers.
Hands off, Chris. Okay, so that's one, right? Guys ready?
Yeah, right.
Go, pick it up. You stand on top, Chris. Don't drop this. You'll be the last one to drop it. Pick it up. Slide in. Watch your fingers. Perfect.
I would say this part here took me probably 20 minutes to complete with the pneumatic hammer or nailer. It saved my forearm from getting fatigued and made the job go by a lot quicker than using a hammer. So now the platform's all done. I was able to stomp on it. All four of us stomped on it, hopped on it, and it's pretty solid. So on to the next thing.